Hi, I'm Kate. I'm an interior designer, a colour enthusiast and a lover of Resene paints. This house has been my family home for 10 plus years. My husband, 2 kids and a dog, Mindy. It's such a fun house and I can't wait to show you around. So when I'm pulling together a colour scheme, I start with mood boards, and then out of the mood boards I pull my specific colours, which I use the Resene swatch books, and I cut them into little pieces. And then once I narrow that down even further, I order my Resene A4 drawdowns. And the best thing about those is then I can stick them on the wall, because one of the most important things with a colour is how it's going to react to different lights. So one of the really important parts of a house is your hallway. It's the first thing you see when you walk in. Because I had lots of different heights on my doorways and I really wanted to distract the eye away from that, I decided to add the colour on the ceiling. So I used Resene pink lace, and then I painted the door at the end of the hallway in Resene Turbo. So I've got this pink and then this yellow. It's called distraction theory, and colour is one of the best ways to achieve it. Welcome to my living room. The colour that you see today is Resene green meets blue, and it makes the room really cosy in contrast to the white and grey that we have in other parts of the house. In the kitchen, you'll notice we have used Resene Eighth Black White on the walls and Resene Eighth Black White on the ceiling. And it works really well with the Resene Turbo that I've used for my splashback. So instead of tiling, I just went, awesome, I'm going to paint it, get a pop of colour, and I love it. One of the things that I love doing is collecting, and sometimes I just can't help myself. If there's something that I see that I really love, I might buy it, and then I get it home and I'm like, where am I going to put that? And one of those things is the giant O, the neon red, and the only wall that was big enough was in the kitchen. It's a bit like a pizza or a burger joint, you know, at night time when the light's on, and I think it really works. Our master bedroom is a great example where the artwork, the key artwork, is what sets the colour scheme for the space, I guess, if you like. And the great thing about it is that we've got Resene Concrete, which is a lovely neutral on the walls. So we've used the artwork and the linens and the chair and the mirror to really bring the fun and the vibrancy to that space. And then through the bedroom into the master ensuite, and you see Resene Bingo, which really pops on the mirror, and you've seen Resene New Day on the ceiling, and then you also get the door, which we've painted in Resene Sail Away. And so all of it works in one just joyful, really delightful space that I love being in. My son has the best room in the house because he gets all the sun, all day. And so because of that, the grey that we've used on the wall in that room is Resene Silver Chalice, which can handle the brightness. And the most fun thing we just did recently was made him a retro gaming machine. I worked really hard to get the right kinds of colours that would work and feel retro and work with the rest of our house. One of the other rooms that I love is my daughter's room, and that has been many colours over the years. It's been blue, it had a mural when she was a little bit younger, and then she said to me, Mum, I kind of would actually just prefer to have white. It is white, it's Resene Eighth Black White on the walls and the trim, but on the ceiling we used Resene Kinship. It's a grey, but it's got a bit of a pinky tone to it. It's soft, and it's so lovely to lie in the bed and see the grey ceiling. We've purposely kept the outside of the house quite neutral. We've used Resene Foggy Grey on the weatherboards and Resene Rice Cake on the trim. People keep saying, now that you're done, what are you going to do? And well, a house is never really finished like any piece of art, so watch this space.